Hello everyone, this is Dr. Wellman. I'm giving you a bit of a little bit of lesson here for those of you who don't know how to find a peer-reviewed journal article. This is what my screen looks like after I have done the search, and I will show you. I put fetal alcohol syndrome in here and I clicked subject. You can click different aspects. You select a field, it's optional, but the better way to do it is subject, because that way you know it's really focusing on the subject. What came up then after I did my selectors, I did the Boolean phrase, the subject fetal alcohol syndrome, and then I selected full text. I selected year of publication, 210 to 220, and I selected scholarly peer-reviewed journals. I limited the search to full text articles. The publication date between 2013 and 2020 came up, so that's excellent. All right, let me go back and show you how I got there. So what I did was I typed in, when you enter the Keiser University library, you'll see an A to Z database list, and there are a lot of different databases. What I did was I typed in psych articles. You could have typed in EBSCOhost, but when I typed in psych articles, then I typed in fetal alcohol syndrome. I chose the subject field. I put applied equivalent subjects, but I really need a full text article. And then I selected your publication 210 to 220, 2020, and I selected scholarly peer-reviewed journals here. That's all I did, just those selectors, and then I clicked on search. I could have chosen other databases, as you can see here, and that gave me the 10 articles to choose from. Like, they all have a PDF full text. Now let's see here. If I check, let me just see what I want to get to. How to cite. So I'm going to go over here. Let me see. And there's my cite tab. And if I scroll up like this and I select that, this is in APA, American Psychological Association format. And I would copy and paste that into my Word document, and then I would write and cite Crocker et al. 2015 when I am taking information from that article. Okay, and you can read the article here, and you can even do search terms in it to find things you're looking for. I recommend looking for the results and discussion method. So I would scroll down till I would find the discussion, and you see the limitations, future directions, but here we also have, there's a discussion. So it evaluates working memory. Ignore any terms you do not understand, and do not cite anything within the article. Only cite the authors of this article. I hope that's helpful. I'll see you in the classroom.